If you're considering Contractor Foreman for your business, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. In this video, we'll break down 7 critical points you should be aware of, whether you're new to the software or comparing it to other project management tools. Stick around till the end for a special offer that'll give you a chance to try the software completely free. First off, Contractor Foreman offers an all-in-one solution for managing construction projects, and it's one of the most affordable platforms out there. If you've been looking at alternatives like Procore or Builder-Trend, you'll notice the price difference immediately. Procore's pricing can be steep, especially for small contractors, but Contractor Foreman offers a similar range of features for a fraction of the cost. It's a perfect solution if you need to keep your overheads low while still getting the full suite of tools for managing everything from estimates to project scheduling and invoicing. Next, Contractor Foreman stands out with its user-friendly interface. This might sound like a simple point, but it's a huge deal when you're managing construction projects. You don't want to waste time getting lost in a complicated system or waiting for your team to figure things out. Unlike other platforms like Builder-Trend, which can be a bit overwhelming at first, Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you and your team to jump in and start managing your projects right away. The third thing to keep in mind is mobile access. If you're out on job sites all day, you'll want a platform that allows you to stay connected and keep everything updated in real time. Contractor Foreman provides a fully functional mobile app that's perfect for contractors on the go. You can create and track work orders, manage tasks, and even upload photos directly from your phone. Many other tools out there, like Contractor, offer mobile access too, but Contractor Foreman's app is surprisingly seamless and intuitive. The fourth thing is the breadth of features included in their package. Unlike some of the competitors that charge extra for basic features like time tracking or document management, Contractor Foreman includes it all in one price. This includes project scheduling, budgeting, change orders, job costing, and more. For contractors looking to streamline operations, this is a big advantage over tools like Procore, where you often need to pay more to unlock additional features. Next, let's talk about customer support. This is where Contractor Foreman truly shines. If you've ever struggled with slow or unhelpful support from other software companies, you'll appreciate the quick and responsive team at Contractor Foreman. Whether you need help setting up your account or have specific questions about functionality, their support team is known for being friendly, knowledgeable, and easy to reach. The sixth thing to consider is integrations. Contractor Foreman integrates with several other tools like QuickBooks, which is a huge plus if you're already using software for accounting. It's great to see that they focus on working well with other systems to create a smooth workflow. Other platforms, like Builder-Trend, can sometimes be a bit more limited when it comes to integrations, making Contractor Foreman a more flexible choice for those who need compatibility with their existing tools. Finally, and this is probably the most important, is the pricing model. As mentioned earlier, Contractor Foreman is significantly more affordable compared to competitors like Procore or Builder-Trend, but they don't just stop there. You can try Contractor Foreman completely free for 30 days, which is a fantastic opportunity for you to test out the software and see if it fits your needs. If you're looking for a powerful project management tool that won't break the bank, this free trial is definitely worth taking advantage of. Now, if you want to try out Contractor Foreman for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.